Welcome to my channel. If your desire has been to study in Poland, then I bring to you good news today because the Banach Scholarship Program is available, and the objective of this program is what? To promote socioeconomic progress of developing countries by raising the level of knowledge and education of their citizens in form of scholarships for second degree studies in Polish or in English at Polish universities, supervised by the Minister of Science and Higher Education. Let us check out the countries that are eligible for this scholarship. They say the NOWA scholarship may be applied for by citizens of the following countries: Albania, Angola, Argentina. Let me check out the countries I'm familiar with: Brazil, yeah, India, Indonesia, Kenya, Lebanon, Mexico, Nigeria, Palestine, Rwanda, Tanzania, Vietnam. So you can visit this website and check it out. If your country is here, then you are qualified for this scholarship because the program is a joint initiative of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Polish National Agency for Academic. Let us check out what this program is all about. They say one of the basic objectives of NAWA is initiating and supporting students' mobility. This objective is to be implemented by means of funding programs aiming at enhancing the level of internationalization of the Polish higher education institutions, as well as enabling Polish students to gain international experience. This is wow! What programs for students? NEWA offers both outgoing and incoming programs. We are currently offering scholarship programs for foreign students as part of the development assistance co-founded by the Foreign Ministry. You can read this out, visit their website and read it out. I don't want this video to be long. What will get our finance support? They say now our funds will be channeled in the form of scholarships to foreign students who study in Poland or Polish students who are on their partial studies or study visits abroad. The monthly grant amount will differ depending on the program and study level. Evaluation of application. They say the NAWA application will be evaluated in accordance with the provision of the Act. Like I said, visit their website and read out the other stuff. Now we've seen what this program is all about. Let's check out what the scholarship entails for foreign students. If you're watching this video and you are from Poland or a Polish student, you can visit their website and check out the information here. Our main focus here is foreign students. Let's say study in Poland with the NEWA Banach program. The call for application has been announced. Let us check it out.
And if you're new here, this is how we do it here. I go and do the research and I come here and I share. You on your part, you subscribe to this channel and you go and apply. I've done my part, now it's yours. I'm giving you all 5 seconds. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you.
So what do they say? Study in Poland with the NEWA Banach program. We are announcing a call for application for the Banach NEWA program, a prestigious scholarship program aimed at young people from developing countries who are interested in continuing their studies at master's level in Poland. This year's call for applications will be opened until June 27, 2025 at 3 p.m. Like, if you're watching this video, please drop whatever you're doing, go and apply for this scholarship. It is really easy to apply. Please be very, very fast. You still have time. You still have time, or until the application limit is reached. So let us see. The Banach Nawa program includes what? It includes of a monthly scholarship, exemption from fees for the preparatory, lump sum for travel to Poland, possibility of studying in Polish or English, participation in language and cultural courses for the English track, education at renowned Polish universities supervised by the Minister of Science and Higher Education. What are you still waiting for? Can you see all of these benefits? You have a monthly scholarship, exemption from fees, you have lump sum for travel. Like, guys, like, this scholarship, please consider applying to this scholarship. And they say who can apply? We had earlier seen this, but let us look at it again. They say who can apply? There are 36 developing countries, including Eastern Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Eligible countries include, like you can see, Albania, Brazil, India, Indonesia, Kenya, Mexico, Nigeria, Peru, Serbia, Tanzania, Ukraine, Vietnam. Like, that's it. If your country has been listed here, please consider applying for this scholarship. You can also check it out here. The full list of countries covered by the program is available in the call announcement. Candidate must have completed first cycle studies, that is bachelor's degree, no earlier than 2023. You know the language of study, at least B2 for English or B2 A2 for Polish, depending on the part, and submit a complete set of documents, including a self-presentation in form of a short video recording. Why Poland? Studying in Poland is not only a chance to get solid education, but also to get to know new culture, gain international contacts, and personal development. The Benang Newa program is real support in achieving these goals. Like, guys, if you can study out of your country, it is really good because you get to know new people and also for personal development. Also, you get that international experience. And how to apply. Applications should be submitted exclusively electronically through the NEWA system that is here. So all what you need to do is visit their website, just come here and click on it. Let us click on it and see. So it's going to bring you to this page. You can change from Polish to English. Let us go with English. So for the login, they require your email and password and log in. But if you don't have an account, that is for those who already have an account, all what you need to do is you just key in your email and your password. But if you don't have an account, what you need to do is come here and sign up to start your own account. That's it for the application. It's very easy, right? Okay. Now you have applied. Let us see. Details regarding the conditions of participation and required documents can be found in the call for announcement and on the program website. Here we go. Announcement of a call for application for participation in the Bewagnewa program. As you can see here, June 6, 2025. Yeah, scope of requirements. We've seen that. Program description. We've seen that already. At the beginning of this video, I'd explain all of this, the eligible countries and the program objective, eligibility, applicants. These are the different countries that you can apply for this scholarship. First, we are already seeing that either you're good at Polish or English is the minimum requirement. You can also visit their website and check out the required documents, which can be found in the call announcement and on their program website. Here we go. The deadline for submitting applications is 27 June 2025 or earlier or after 300 applications have been received from a given group of countries. So guys, please send out your application. Then they say join the group of NAWA scholarship holders and start your academic adventure in Poland. That's it for this. So you can visit their website, check out other information and apply for this scholarship. Like as seen here, they have monthly scholarship, exemption from fees, lump sum of travel to Poland, like they're going to pay your flight from your country to Poland or relocation from your country to Poland. Then these are the countries that can apply, 36 developing countries, including Eastern Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. That's it for this scholarship. Are you going to send out your application? Let me know in the comments below. I have a lot of videos I have made on scholarships. You can check out my other videos, watch them, and apply to as many scholarships as you can. As you can see here, I have a lot of videos on scholarships. Here we go. These are them. Check that out. Apply to as many as you can. Thank you and see you in my next video.